Hello there. Today, customer picking up his brand new Commander. This is the Pearl White Commander, 18 feet and 18 feet longer, 88 inches with the trailer roof is closed, 85 inches of trailer's width, and you can see from the rear. So we will have a exterior walkthrough and let's go inside take a look. You know, the front car is F150. It is very super powerful, and you can see over there, that's the F150, super stronger. And our Commander trailer have independent suspension system, and you can see from the rear, the Pearl White is a custom exterior, and you can custom different colors, or you can blend colors for the Commander trailer as well. So let's take a look from this side. Looks pretty cool, isn't it? Looks pretty cool. Looks really nice of this 18 feet Commander trailer. Let's take a look. This trailer body is made by high strength steel and also the diamond aluminum, and you can see those we call diamond aluminum, just like the diamond aluminum. And also the trailer body, the wall of the material are the aluminum, high strength steel body frame plus aviation standard aluminum, lightweight and hard, which is really cool. All these compartments are using the, so take a look. All these are the diamond aluminum. So let's take a look about the trailer hitch. So this customer is using the Australian 360 degree of the off-road coupler here, which is really nice. It can articulating 360 degree, and this kind of a receiver tube only have one pins there, and this is, and I think this should be a 13 pin. Should be a 13 pin connectors because we are using the electric brake. So we are using electric drum brake, and you also will need install P3 brake controller if you don't have it. The manual brake here. Oops, so I'm going to release it, and so Anderson charge, Anderson plug, and we also have another holder there, 1000 jack, so it can fold. Well, you can see it can also add the direction wheel here, which is pretty cool. In front is a huge storage, so we don't need necessary to open all these compartments because now this is a customer's properties right now. We don't have right to access all the compartment, but we do record this video before, so you guys can take a look. Search the Pearl White Commander in my channel there. This is a 16 inches off-road tire. We can also making it bigger, like 17 inches with the tire size, 285 of the tire size, which is much bigger and using a wider fender there. So let's take a look about the independent suspension system there. So you can see quite different twin absorbers, and the coil spring is getting much stronger. The trailing arm independent suspension system, and you can take a look at that. So the trailing arm suspension system that we are used on Commander is the same design as the Explorer trailer. So here we go. There we have a Pearl White Explorer trailer. It is using the same independent suspension system, trailing arm, coil spring, which is pretty nice. And let's take a look at the rear here. So this is the brand new toolbox, aluminum tool storage. It has a layers. You can storage downside, upper side, both available. And also we got a rear luggage rack. You can take a look. And you can also take a look about the roof, the roof of the trailer. It has a 400 watt of the solar panel, and this trailer's roof lifting structure is the electric. All right, so let's take a look about the inside. So we can also take a look about his car. This is a black car, a black Ford 150. Let's keep moving from the inside. Before we get inside, you will know the ground clearance of the Commander is 42 centimeters. The 42 centimeters ground clearance, you need, you know, step up on the trailer. So raise up your legs. So this is the control panel here. And so we also have a stage here, the aluminum stage, and you can see Njstar. And this is the vinyl floor. And here, this is the children's bed for kids. Children's bed with the windows can be open. 1.9 meter but 1.25 meter of the children's bed. And the refrigerator here, 55 liters of the refrigerator. For this area is the water plumbing system and a water plumbing system, diesel heating system, 5,000 watt diesel heater, and a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket and international socket also. So we call it is a full seasonal camping trailer with insulations on the wall. This is the this is the entertainment and the king size bed with teak table here. So this teak table makes a difference. And you can see this one is the display to control the electric roof. So let's step up on the camper right now. Let's take a look. So we can take a picture here. So you can see this table is, different shape. If you like it, we can also custom by ourselves. So I think this customer got one upgrade is he's using, this one is the refrigerator here. He got two refrigerators. One is there in default, and the other he got one here, and also that is a microwave oven here. So which is pretty cool if you like it. But this is his personalized upgraded. Normally and currently we will use the microwave oven just placed in this area right now, and this area will wider, wider than this. So currently we're using this. Two drawers gonna be, removed to storage a microwave oven here. And this area will keep a clocker. All right, just like that. Also, that is the bathroom. So this is what it look like when we are lower down the electric roof. So let's take a look about the bathroom here. So let me step up. So okay, let me just here, and you can take a look about the bathroom. Well, yeah, step up on the camper and taking shower inside of the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Cassette toilet is the upgrade, and also that is a, stainless floor and the marble sink inside. Also the faucet, ventilation, marble sink, the real stone sink. The wall material of the restroom is the aluminum, black spray painted, which is very cool. So let's also take a look about this control panel here. So what it look like on the control panels here. So I'm just opening the LED lighting system here. The fresh water, 180 liters of a fresh water tank inside of this trailer. Underneath, and this is the gray water, 65 liters in the restroom here. Inverter, 3000 watt inverter with inverting and charging function. Main power, water pump, onion light. So here we go. Let's take a look about the onion light. This is the orange onion light here. And this is the water. So the water circulation we placed in this area right now. Water circulation area. I think this should be, microwave oven. He doesn't put the air conditioner. So previous one, this button should be the refrigerator, USB charging board. So now he's setting the water plumbing system in this area. So it's quite different from our default one. The toilet light, cabinet light, step light. So the step light is this, cabinet light is that under the wardrobe. Let me demonstrate you one of it. So take a look about that. Just like that. Microwave oven just here behind that clocker. And Fridge 1 and fridge 2. Oh, finally got it. Fridge 1 should be the fridge just there under that area, and fridge 2 is over there. And also this is the colorimeter, and you can see it shows the battery 100% left, 297 amps of the battery. I think this should be the gel battery, maybe the lithium battery, so it's not necessary to take a detailed look. And for this area, I just introduced, but let me have it go through some details there. So roof lifting, so you can also access here. Water plumbing system, and this is a full seasonal package. All right, water plumbing system. You can using hot showers. You can taking hot shower inside of the restroom right now. Air heater is the 5,000 watt diesel air heater. This is a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, and this is a USB charging port is here also. All right, let's take a look about the chassis. All right, the chassis is our last. By the way, taking a look about the chassis. Also, the slide out kitchen, we also have it, and a cooking pantry is over there. The cooking pantry, and cooking pantry and a cooking platform. So we don't necessarily to expand them. We already have this fully set up video before, and if you are interested, you can take a look. So we just take a look about this. All right, let's take a look about the independent suspension system and chassis. So you can see the chassis, we have 180 liters of the freshwater tank with insulation, and also on the belly pan, the sheet metal to avoid storm the hit the water tanks underneath. And also this is the chassis using high strength steel, hot dip galvanized epoxy resin for rust against, and then the surface paint just like that. AT tire, all-terrain off-road tire. Okay, this is the simply walkthrough, and today's customer going to towing this trailer go home, and wishing he have a great journey with his very nice commander. All right, so let's take a look this way here. The Ford F-150, the most powerful trucks ever. Okay, thank you, you fellows patient watching this video here. If you have any questions, you can subscribe this channel or email me directly for the price list. Thank you so much. Happy New Year, and wishing you guys God blessing you. We keep in touch. Thank you.